Hello and welcome to the Daily Self-Love Podcast. I'm your host CS Neha Bajaj and I welcome you all once again to this lovely, beautiful podcast that I have created with all the hard work and enthusiasm and a lot of courage for sure. So I hope you all are enjoying all the episodes I have published till now and I'm looking forward to serve you even more. To put it on record, I have launched my another YouTube channel today itself, which is Beatific Escapade with CS Neha Bajaj. And I would like you all to subscribe to the channel as well and shower all your love on the channel as well. So, moving on with today's episode, this is about how to maintain your own peace. And I'm going to share with you the 8 ways to do that. Now, this is a very important thing to note. If you want to protect your peace, you have to stop taking other people's projected opinions personally. Your light will often highlight other people's insecurities and shortcomings, which they will then project back to you as a flaw. It's a coping mechanism. Attacking you makes them feel better, and it has nothing to do with you. Stop saying yes and then resenting to the agreement. Rather than saying yes and making a resentment later of why, oh God, why did I say yes? Better say no without feeling guilty for prioritizing your well-being, your boundaries, your values, and your needs. Again, stop spending time with the wrong people in the wrong places. Now, this is very important. What you all have to do is to stop the people-pleasing habits and go where love is. Again, stop allowing your boundaries to be crossed. Set your boundaries. Set your boundaries very firmly. And upholding your boundaries, because upholding your boundaries is a powerful act of self-care. And once you start respecting your boundaries, you become more aware and respectful of other people's boundaries, which ultimately will lead to harmonious and better relationships. Stop ignoring the need for a daily self-care practice. Take time to rest, to reflect, to reconnect with yourself, because it then allows you to show up better in the world as well. Stop doubting your gut feelings and lean into the intuition. Your intuition is threaded throughout your being, and when you are aligned with it, it can give insight in ways nothing and no one else can. Again, stop attaching the joy to outcomes, uncontrollable circumstances, or other external factors. Control what you can and let go of what you can't. Note that if you can only find joy when your circumstances meet your expectations, you will go through your life constantly being disappointed. And this is a very common thing which I always say and always repeat. And repeat all the time. Which is, enjoy being in the journey. Enjoy being in the journey. Love your life while you are in this journey process. And anyhow, you will be happier when you will reach your destination. Again, stop delaying the pursuit of your dreams for an imaginary time when you think you may become ready. There is no magical tomorrow that will grant you the discipline that is required today to pursue your greatest goals. What you think you want in life, you have to work for it. Start working today. Start working now. Your tomorrow will automatically get better. Don't wait for a perfect time. Don't wait for a perfect result. Don't wait for a perfect opportunity. Just start today. With that, I'll sign off for now. See you in the next episode. If it has helped you, please do share your comments, your feedback, and what and how has it helped you with me over a voice message or DM me on any of the platform I'm available on. Again, the links are in the description box. Do not forget to connect with me. And till next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and stay self-loved.